In this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in MEXC. First, you will need to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right, and then you will go into Wallets and Overview. Now, right here at the top, you will see Deposit Now. Once you hover over this button, you will see On-Chain Deposit, and you can transfer crypto from other wallets or platforms. You have the options, a few options if you don't have crypto. You can do P2P trading. You will buy at the best price, 100 plus payment methods. You can do fiat deposit, which basically accepts deposits in Euro and BRL. And also you can do the quick buy or sell. So for example here, let's do fiat deposit because it's going to be the easiest. You will type the amount which you want to add to your account and also the currency which is supported here, so euros in our case. And the payment method is going to be either bank transfer or online bank transfer. So here you can add an account, connect your bank account and do it that way. Choose your payment method, you will click on continue, and then it's going to ask you for your debit card information. And once you provide it, as long as you have verified your account previously, that is going to add the money to your account. And also if you do P2P trading, if you click on it here, you can buy different currencies. As you can see, we can buy USDT, so on and so forth. And that is how you get money into your MEXC account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.